Well, is it time to be out with the old and in with the new? My thoughts coming up next. Well, welcome back, guys. If you're new to this channel, I mostly do Triumph Speed Twin content, but as the people that have watched these videos know, it is at the Corbin Seat Factory right now, being used as the demo bike, or I should say research and development bike, in designing the seats for the general public. So it's going to be gone for about 3 weeks. It's been 1 week and I'm dying to ride. If you want to watch my trip up there, click up here. I recently picked up the RODE Wireless Go, and I currently use the RODE VideoMic Pro, which works great, but it picks up a shit ton of ambient noise. You probably hear cars driving by constantly on this road. So I want to see if the lavalier setup is better for isolating my voice only. I'm sure it will be. And I also want to see a distance test. So I'm going to walk that way and see how far until it breaks up. Alright guys, here's the internal mic. It's the gain on both the camera and this are the lowest they can go. I think it sounds pretty good. We'll see when we get back into post. But I want to see if you can hear the cars driving by in comparison with the VideoMic Pro. There goes one. I don't know, can you hear it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up and keep this in the frame. I'm not going to turn my back because I'm sure I'll drop signal through my body if I run that way. So I'll just kind of mosey my way back and I'll count the cement tiles here, or the cement squares I should say. So let's go. 1, 2, let's see. 1 square. 2 squares, 3 cement squares, 4 cement squares, 5, going on 6, going on 7, let's do 8 there, 9, 10, so that's about 100 feet, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that is approximately 200 feet. I don't see any reason why you'd ever want to be that far away from your camera for using this kind of thing. If so, you'd probably use a professional one anyway. Not that this isn't professional, but like a G4 or G3 Sennheiser would come to mind. But what I'm going to do now is try these other little microphones that I have. I have a Movo lavalier microphone. It's pretty cheap. I'll link that down, like I said, below. It's a cheap microphone. That sounds pretty good. And then I also got this 3.5 millimeter stubby. It's not really a lavalier. It's more like an omnidirectional scenario. And I'll plug that in and show you guys that too. That one is a hot mic though. So if you can see that, right here is this goofy little microphone. Let's see what it says. I don't even know how to pronounce that. That's crazy. I'll just list it in the description. But this one's definitely a hot mic. I'll show that in a second. And then this is the Movo. And I'll show you that as well. Okay, this is the Movo mic. Curious to see what it sounds like different compared to the internal of the RODE. I'm sure it's going to be a little hotter. It may or may not sound better. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. And give me your opinion. What do you guys think? There's really no reason to put this on this unless it vastly increases the quality, but I doubt that's going to be the case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How does this sound? Check 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Okay, now I have the Movo Lav buttoned up here, and now it's down here on my belt. These things are amazingly small. I love these things. It seems to work really well. Let's see how this sounds. I know this is going to be a weaker signal as far as I know, but it may sound good. I've used it for moto vlogging. It's not my favorite mic for that, but it's cheap and it'll get you in the game, so it's worth giving it a whirl. So I guess just an overview of why I bought this. I found that if I want to be far away and make a, far shot of my bike and me talking, I definitely need a wireless system, and I didn't have one, so that's why I picked this up essentially. And if it has the added benefit, that was a sweet XJ Yamaha something, I don't know what that was. Old school, that's cool. But anyway, all right everybody, thanks for watching. Sorry it's not another Triumph video if that's what you came here for. I imagine you came here because you saw the thumbnail and it showed a comparison between two Rode mics. So if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. I will be doing other comparisons down the road. I always love gear, so I try things out all the time. If it makes my job easier, I usually try it out. And I will see you next time, hopefully with some Triumph content. All right, later.